Hi guys, so I wanted to do an unboxing of JYJ's the beginning in Seoul Worldwide Concert World Tour, whatever you want to call it. This is their English album that they released right after the split with Dongbang Shinki. And yeah, I'm collecting pamphlets, as I'm pretty sure those of you that follow my channel know I am trying to slowly collect them because there are quite a few of them. And this is one last JYJ one that I have to purchase. I honestly don't remember how many there are for JYJ, but they're mostly for the beginning. I don't think they have any pamphlets for their recent tours. I could be wrong though, so if anybody knows, please do tell me, because I do have to try and make an accurate list just so I know what I'm looking for. Anyway, this is going to be an unboxing instead of a review that I was originally planning on doing, because there is no unboxing of this, and I think you guys would rather see the unboxing than me talk about something that, if you're not subscribed to me, wouldn't probably care. When you first purchase it, let me put that to the side, you see that it comes in a like cardboard box, which I don't mind actually. It doesn't look bad. Oh, come on. There we go. So this was right when they were still being oh no, they were now JYJ. So in here you have this flap, which is where the photo book comes out of, and this is to hold the mobile strip that it comes in. I don't remember actually how it came in, because maybe like that, I don't know, it just pops up a lot. So you do get this strap. This dented this, and there's nothing really I could do anymore about that, since it's been 6 years just sitting like that. And this is the mobile strap that it comes with. Right, back when the phones used to come with the little hooks to hold those straps. So that is the good that it comes with. And if it came in a bag, I don't have it, but I'm pretty sure it was just plastic sealed. Here is the pamphlet itself. And Worldwide Concert in Seoul, JYJ the beginning, Concert in Seoul, and the copyright. So that's how it looks like. Alrighty. It does have some shots that are like really cut off. One that I remember is just, it's so annoying, but you'll see. This is a parchment kind of page. I don't know why, but they did that. And here is a beam of light. Here's this shot. This is the one that pisses me off, because you can't see him at all, even if you try and fold the page over as much as possible. And it's Jaejong, the one that gets cut off, of course. Jaejong, Jichon, and Junso, Junsu. Ho ho ho, ho ho ho. Oh, look at my baby. Jaejong. He does look younger in these pages. I don't know, because I really started listening to them, like really into them in like Homin's comeback. That's when I started like actually paying attention to like Dongbang Shinki JYJ, And I feel like I just realized how they're aging. Like, I never noticed before how much they look older. Look at my baby. Oh my god, he looks hot right there. Juchon. And this is the beginning there. Juchon. Long hair. Imagine doing a lot of songs wearing that coat. Oh my god. One, two. Where's the other member? Can't find him. There they are. Ooh, that note of Junsu right now. That was nice. Look at Junsu. He's wearing baggy pants in this concert. I don't know why. I mean, I think it's the brightness of the sun right now that might mess with the pictures a bit here. It's basically that picture again. I feel like JYJ is getting ready to release a CD, and of course I don't see why C-Jes wouldn't pre-record a Junsu album if they did it for JYJ. I do have 2 things coming in the mail for you guys. It's just 2 goods, so it's not like a CD or anything. It is of course the Langshinki related. I feel like if I buy something Homin, I have to buy something JYJ. If I buy something JYJ, I don't need to buy something Homin, because I always buy Homin. Like, there's so much more Homin things than there are JYJ. So if I ever do buy Homin, I feel like that's gonna be one of my new rules. If I want to own something Homin, I need to get something JYJ to even it out, because my JYJ collection is just so sad. It's so sad. Look at JYJ. Though, to be honest, Junsu is a better dancer, of course. Oh, that's a really pretty picture. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, Junsu. Junsu graduated #1 in his class, so I'm really happy for Junsu. He started his police service, I think they started, which means TOP should have started too, but TOP is really good at avoiding getting his picture taken, actually. So it's a bit easier to find pictures of Junsu than it is of TOP. That coat, it looks nice, but I feel bad for him for having to wear that. Nice dancers. Oh, look at that. Or if I buy something homing, I should at least buy something OT5. There. I think that's gonna be what I do. Because JYJ is either super expensive or super expensive, so. 사랑해. Nice pants. Oh crap, come on. Oh, JJ, baby. Look at those pants. Oh my god. JJ. Oh, that looks so weird. There's the shadow, the way the shadow is falling on him. Oh god. C-Jes really needs to work on how they lay out their freaking books. Damn it, JJ, why? I'm trying to get you guys a nice shot of JJ, but C-Jes don't know how to freaking spend their money on some decent layout. Ooh. He looks super pale, like always. God. Oh, that's a nice shot of him. Look at this, man. People lining up outside. And that's it. Peoples. Alright. So that is the unboxing for this. I don't know if I'm going to be doing the review for Sun Market in comparison to from Japan. I did get it alongside Time instead of getting the one that I went for in the first place. I went to go purchase with, but it was still kind of pricey, so I just decided to go with Time, which I do still. It's a beautiful concept photo book. So I do eventually, of course, plan on getting all the concept books for OT5 and ooh, I didn't see that. Ooh. For OT5 and for Homing. Homing's photo books are just, I hate SM in that they can take care of, well, actually this is AVEX, but still, they can take care of so well of their artists, whereas they had to change to a new company and just try their best to work with that company. So anyway, hopefully I can get the other concept photo books, because to this date the only homing concept one I have is this one, and they have really pretty concept photo books. I do want to get Tone first though, and then Tree, and then With. So let's see how that works out. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and I'll be seeing what I upload next. Have a great day, guys. Bye.